Well, we are out here today trying to get into some early morning bluegill and crappie and bass and whatever we can get a hold of. And there's the first crappie of the day. Not real big, but hey, there it is. So, ta-da! Got him on the mule jig. So, Matt with a nice early morning bass. Really nice looking fish. Nice looking fish. Yeah, cool. Okay, man. Go for it. Nice. Not bad. Going. Something to think about. Not bad. Not too bad. Kind of small.
Nice one.
Yeah, about a 13 or 14. Okay, let's hear it for big crappies. Let's hear it for big crappies. That's a nice fish. Beat up, man. I mean, that fish is beat up. But that is a very nice fish. Very nice fish. Okay. A nice fish. Another one. This one's a little smaller. Quite a bit smaller, actually. But nonetheless, a decent fish. I don't know, Matt. Might have to. Oh, you got one? Did you miss one?
It came off. It wasn't big.
Alright. Let's try again here. In this calm, all you gotta do is take your paddle and you can scull yourself to a nice position. Beautiful out here this morning, man. Oh man, hung up. All right, I'm gonna try to get this one loose. All right, well, we're not doing too bad here. A little bit of an update. Matt caught 5 or 6 bass right off the bat on buzz baits, and he switched over to a little crankbait. He's going to try to catch some crappies now. He's over there. Going to try that shoreline. I'm going to stick with this shoreline right here. A lot of wood, a lot of fallen trees. We'll see if we can't get a couple more big crappie. Stick with us. Decent one. Try to get him. Man. Stop. Another decent little crappie. Put that one back. Can't slip up here and get a couple more. Another decent one. Not great big, but it's okay. Not bad. Ooh, nice one. Nice one. Decent. Oh, slow it down. Slow it down, baby. Looks pretty good. It's in the shade. Probably about 6:30 in the morning. Fish are still active when it's low light periods like this. So we've got about a dozen crappies, 5 or 6 bass, a couple big bluegill, and we're going to hang in there for a little while, see how it goes. Got him. Got him. Got the big girl. Nice. I'll tell you, man, kayak fishing for these big crappies is pretty cool. I should have lost this fish when he just pulled out. Look at that. That's a nice one. That's 12-inch class fish. Nice thick one. Really pretty fish. Really pretty fish. Nice. Really nice. All right. That was fun. Let's do that again. Just had a couple nice strikes and missed them. Missed them clean. And I missed that one. What is happening here? Something's happening here. There's a good fish right there in front of me. He's a good fish because he's a crappie and I might catch him. Not necessarily because of the size. Okay. All sizes, all shapes. A little bit further out than what you could cast from the shoreline. So the kayaks are coming in handy. I'm about a cast away. That's a good fish. That guy's probably going to come off. Oh, there he is. Little guy. Okay, I tell you what. I took a mule jig donkey tail, black, cut about a, I don't know, 1/4 inch off of it, put it on a 32nd ounce head. Been killer. Missed that one. Another big fish. Wow, that's a mess. Good fish though. Real nice fish. That's the kind we like. That's the kind we Nice crappie. Nice big one. That's the kind we like. That's the kind we like to put back. Very good. Let's get another one. Well, we're having a pretty decent morning. Matt's up there catching a few crappies. I don't know what he's using. He was using a crankbait, but I've been using a mule jig donkey tail and getting a lot of strikes, catching some nice fish. I have four in the 13-inch class, so that's pretty nice fish. So middle of summer, going up to 96 degrees later today. That's pretty warm. We're out here early today. Try to see if we can't get a few fish before the heat settles in. So okay, not big, but crappie. Okay, that one hit the Bobby Garland Mo-Glo. And missed him. Can't get them all. Maybe you can. That's a bluegill. That's crap. And he's gone. Matt just had a fish right at the kayak, got off big. Didn't get to see it. Oh. Little crappie. Having a good morning. There's one. That's 3-on-3 cast, and that's a halfway decent one. Halfway decent one. Nice little 10-inch class crappie. I just caught 4 in a row, and I just lost 2, a couple. You want to ease up into this corner, I think there might be a pot of fish in there. We're going here. I'll take 11, 12-inch crappies all day and all night. Release on that fish. She good. We'll see, bud. I like it. Let's do it again. Nice one. Another nice one. Tell you what, been a pretty good morning. Been a pretty good morning. What's happening back there? Another nice one. Get him in. There it is. Decent fish. decent crappie. Be a good day to keep some to eat. Well, I've just caught about 5 in a row right below the kayak here. I must have just drifted over a school. Pretty crazy. Now that I turn the, there's one. Oh, nice one. Wow. Right below the kayak. Nice fish too. Nice fish. Wow. Nice fish. Nice guy. Nice one. Nice looking crappie. That's what we're looking for right there. Yes, sir. Well, we've had a really good day today. We've only fished from, I guess, 6 to about 7:45. We haven't even fished 2 hours. We've caught probably 60 crappies. Matt's got a half a dozen nice bass on buzz baits. Been an excellent morning. Crappie are really over on the shady side here today, and several 12 to 13-inch fish. A lot of nice fish. So we're going to wrap it up, get out of the heat, because the heat's coming. Going up to 97 today, and oh, there's another one right there. Come here, baby. Okay. Just another crappy day. Thanks for dropping in, guys. Thanks for watching. We'll see y'all later. Y'all be blessed. Bye.